Hello, welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. This is a part 2 video. We're answering the test question. If you recall, if angle number 1 is 50 degrees, what is the value of angle 6? So I'm highlighting, like I have been in these videos, the different angles, and I've discussed in that example problem question number 1. If you watched all 4 of those parts, you're ahead of the game. If not, go back, check it out. Okay, it was a fill in the blank test question, and I go into depth about what all of these angles mean. And I'm going to continue to instruct and go over the different types of angles, their names, the definitions. But this is pretty much the basics. Remember, if it's highlighted in the yellow, all of these are congruent or equal to each other. If it's highlighted in green, all of these green angles are congruent or equal to each other. So if angle 1 is 50 degrees, what does angle 4 have to be? Right? 50 degrees. If angle 1 and angle 4 are 50 degrees, angle 5 and angle 8 are also 50 degrees. Okay? But we need, the test question asks, what is the value of angle 6? And let's just jump right on in here and do it. If I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, and rewind the video. So here is, you can see angle 1 is highlighted in green, and that's 50 degrees based upon the question. You can see a highlight in yellow is angle 6, right? And we don't know the value of angle 6, but we do know something about adding together a yellow angle and a green angle. You add them together, they are supplementary angles. And you know that when you add a green plus a yellow, they will add up to be 180 degrees, right? And so, again, they are supplementary angles, right? The angles are highlighted in yellow and plus angles highlighted in green. They will add up to 180 degrees. So my angle 6 is going to be an x value, or I don't know value. My angle 1 is 50 degrees. 50 plus what number is going to give me 180 degrees, right? And so this will be my variable, or my unknown value, and that's all x, y, z, angle 6. They're symbols that represent a real number. We don't know what it means in an algebraic equation. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to find the missing value of angle 6. So I am going to substitute the value of angle 1 because I know they are supplementary angles. And supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. And if angle 1 is 50, I'm going to put a 50 right here where I see that angle 1. Then I can solve algebraically in order to determine what that missing value of angle 6 is, right? So I have a one-step equation. 50 plus angle 6 will equal 180 degrees. I want to get angle 6 all by itself because that's what I'm trying to solve for. I'm trying to find the value of angle 6, right? So I want to eliminate 50 degrees. What is the opposite of a 50 degrees? It's minus 50 degrees or a negative 50 degrees, right? So I'm going to subtract 50, not just to one side of the equal sign, but to both sides of the equal sign. 50 minus 50 is gone. I'm only left with angle 6 on the left side of the equal sign. 180 minus 50 equals what? 130 degrees. So your answer in that part 1 video is going to be D, 130 degrees. So once you have those highlighted angles, when you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal line, it tells you a lot of information. I want you to continue checking that good stuff out. I apologize for that transition. That was kind of sloppy. Ooh, I hope I didn't blind you by the light there. And so, again, you can conduct an internet search to practice these new skills. Look for worksheets with answers on finding alternating interior angles versus alternating exterior angles versus corresponding angles versus supplementary angles versus congruent angles. Remember, you can also search worksheets with answers to solve one-step and two-step equations. Okay, not only one step, but also you can put in there two-step equations. And then worksheets. Got a little shaking happening today. Sorry about that. Worksheets with answers on understanding obtuse versus acute angles, congruent angles versus supplemental angles or supplementary angles versus complementary angles. So these will be different search engines you can use to practice your skills. Hey, remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me helping others by liking, following, and sharing these videos. I got a goal. I'd like to reach 20,000 followers, 200,000 views. If we could get her done, I'd appreciate your help. And only you can get her done. Thank you for your time. Math is easy. Take it step by step.